At that time, a woman yearns for the love of a man, becomes anxious and indecisive for him, whom she loves immensely, and that one person always ignores her. Reheated tea and compromises done again and again, both have never had the same sweetness and the taste as before. Even the most serious girl would have hidden childhood somewhere inside her. She will talk childish to anyone, who is close to her heart, and will love her truly. The people who say that listen from one ear and let it go out of the other ear, tell them that what they said between the two ears in the mind where it lasts forever. They say that in any relationship the peak of love lasts maximum 7-8 months, then gradually it becomes less. What we want in life is not easily available, but the truth of life is that we want what is not easy. Hearing her voice, I realized for the first time that certain voices also freshen up your body. Recognition of a woman's love by her feet, know these. Number 1, the woman whose middle toe is big, she rules on her husband. Number 2, the one whose middle fingers of the feet are small, she loves her husband and lives under him. Number 3, the woman's whose first 2 fingers and the thumb of feet are equal, then she is clever. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.